The Lamborghini Revuelto, already a visual and performance masterpiece, has become an open canvas for the world's top exotic car tuners. But in the sea of aftermarket specialists like Mansory, DMC, 1016 Industries, and Zacoe, California-based Vorsteiner is stepping into the spotlight with a bold and functional carbon fiber body kit, one that might make you reconsider how much a supercar accessory should cost. Among the standout elements of Vorsteiner's new Aero package is an aggressively redesigned hood made entirely of bare carbon fiber. It's not just for looks, it's also engineered to improve airflow and reduce weight, essential features for any supercar enthusiast who takes performance as seriously as aesthetics. This hood is priced at a jaw-dropping $11,995, and it's not even the most expensive component. At the rear, things get even more dramatic with an oversized carbon fiber diffuser priced at an eye-watering $14,995. It's not just there to impress at Cars and Coffee. Vorsteiner claims it significantly boosts downforce and high-speed stability. The side skirts, vented fenders, and a front splitter round out the kit's lineup. What's remarkable is that all parts mount directly to the OEM points of the Revuelto, meaning no irreversible drilling or structural changes are required. For an exotic like this, maintaining originality is crucial for resale value, making Vorsteiner's kit as practical as it is wild. Of course, if you want the full visual transformation, you're looking at a total investment of $53,475, more than the base price of a 2024 VW Golf R. But let's face it, if you're one of the few who's dropped over $600,000 on a Lamborghini Revuelto, a few extra tens of thousands on carbon fiber enhancements is just part of the experience. Underneath all the visual tweaks, Vorsteiner leaves the powertrain untouched, and rightly so. The Revuelto comes straight from the factory with a plug-in hybrid setup combining a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 and 3 electric motors, good for a total of 1,001 horsepower. Ultimately, Vorsteiner's take on the Revuelto doesn't just aim to shock, it balances form and function, giving owners an opportunity to push the visual limits of one of the world's most powerful supercars while preserving its mechanical soul.